Friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. I hope you're doing well today. I'm running a little behind, but I'm trying to play catch up. And I am purging and cleaning out some things. In an upcoming video, you'll see what I've done to my office/craft area. It was a mess, and it's much better. But for right now, the purge that I'm participating in is with Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. And she does this, I believe, quarterly. And I had been cleaning out and saving things and waiting for this particular collaboration. And some things came up in life. And although I had the things purged, I didn't get around to making a video until now. So I'm going to do this really quickly and share this with you guys. Also, Kimberly will have a playlist, and I will share that link below, as well as a link to Kimberly Davis's YouTube channel. I'm sure that I can't introduce anyone else to Kimberly because Diva Designing on a Dime is just the bomb. Her YouTube channel is just all over the place. It has something for everybody. So if you are one of the few people who don't know who she is, please check her out. And like I said, the link will be below. But on to what I'm sharing with you right now. I went through, first of all, I went through several things, areas in my home. And one was my grandson's toy box. Now, my grandson is 7 years old now. And I keep, not a box, I keep a wicker basket, a big one, with toys for him. And he's sort of outgrown toys per se. As a matter of fact, I'm at a loss to what to get this young man for Christmas because he is technology savvy. He prefers his iPad or my computer or something. Getting him to do something outside when he doesn't have that with him has become a little bit of a chore, which I'm not too fond of. I want to be a little sports minded too. It's good to be smart and technology correct and savvy and all of that. But anyway, I went through the toy box, and as you can see here, I had quite a few. He has moved on with this from the little football. He's, to the big one. So this is going, and as you can see, it's not hurt. So the toys that he had damaged, of course, I threw away. I never like to try and bless someone with something that is truly not a blessing and that they can't use. So the toys that I'm donating, I should say, are in great shape. Like this one, this little red truck, and all of these toys. I was not keeping them for him. Mainly, I was keeping them for me because of the memories. But this one. Sorry about that. Doorbell rang. I have the guy here servicing my furnace for the winter. But anyway, this little red truck was one of his first, and I have a picture of him with this and a fireman's hat on when he was not even crawling yet. So it's going, and it's not hurt, and I think it still makes the noise. Yeah, it does. Yeah, he's 7, much too old for this. It'll shut off in a minute. I shouldn't have pushed that button. He was once into dinosaurs, and I had them all over the place. And I'll just pull this one out because there were just dinosaurs everywhere. So, and none of them are hurt. They're plastic. You can't really hurt them. And there is, let me just look. I'm not going to pull all this stuff out. I just wanted to share this was part of my cleaning process. The whole bottom of this bag is filled with cars and trucks because he was really into the cars, the little cars and the trucks. So, and he still does like cars, but not like he used to. And there are Legos in here, and like I said, I'm not going to pull all this out. But just a bunch of cute stuff for kids. And now I've got that big bag. And then I was going through cleaning out some things, and I really tried, y'all. I thought, okay, you have switched over from buying a lot of pillows to buying the pillow cover, so now maybe you can get rid of some pillows. Not yet. So I put them in the sucky bag, the one where you, the bag that you put in, use your vacuum clean and everything goes down to really, really little. And so for now, that's where they are. But I'm sure that when we do the next purge, I will be a little stronger in that area and get rid of more of these. But I got rid of this one little one. I don't have these colors in my home anymore. Uh, it's in perfect shape as well. And it says, I love you with all my, and then it has a heart. It's not quite my style anymore, so I hope to bless somebody else with that. And then the rest of this bag, well, not all. As an Avon representative, I went through the stuff that I had and I've had for a while. And I have some jewelry pieces that I'm going to bless someone else with as well. So I threw that in the bag. And the rest of this bag would be shoes, summer shoes that I did not wear all season. And I'm trying to stick with the adage that if you don't wear it for a season, then bless someone else with it. These, if you can look at them, I've worn them like twice, but not this year. So maybe someone else will wear them. And there are several pair in here like that, you know, I've worn once or twice, and I did not wear them this season. So it's time for them to go. So that bag has, this bag has that pillow, some Avon pieces, and a bunch of shoes in this bag. And then finally, I had gone to, excuse me for going out of camera shot, but I had to pick these up. I had gone to my Habitat for Humanity, about a year ago. You know how you get there and you have all these ideas, and sometimes, I don't know about you, I overbuy for crafts and that kind of thing. And I bought these, and I did use two of them. No, yeah, two of them I made candelabras out of with some candlesticks. And I also bought these, and when I bought them, I had great expectations for them, and there are four of these, but I've had them for a year and a half. I've moved on to other crafts, and I haven't used them, so I will donate them and bless someone else with them. Someone else may just use them on their light fixture. I had other ideas for them, so these will go as well. And I haven't done it yet because I haven't pulled out the boxes, but I'm sure that I have a lot of Christmas decor that I'm going to be able to donate or purge as well. And I will do that when it's time to decorate for Christmas, and then hold it until it's time to do another, as Diva says, purge, not the movie. So that's it for my purging for today, but you won't believe what a difference just cleaning this stuff out makes you feel. I am an organization enthusiast, and if you follow my blog, that's what it's mostly about. It's organizational tips. And I'm going to try and bring a little bit more of that over here as well. But as an organization enthusiast, it's still easy for me to get caught up in things. You know, you love things like I love crafting and DIYing. So I like to have what I need on hand. And like I said, sometimes I overbuy. So, yeah, I'm going to bless somebody with this stuff, and hopefully they will be inspired by some of this stuff, and especially the kids' toys. I hope some little child will enjoy these, and some parent or grandparent will enjoy watching that child play with them in the floor as much as I did watching my grandson do so. So guys, I'm going to ask you that if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and it is so greatly appreciated. And once you subscribe, hit that bell down below, and then you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos as well. And if you're not sure what we do here, this is a lifestyle YouTube channel. And what I love is, or I like to tell my subscribers, if you want to DIY, organize, clean, and decorate your home into the space that you love, a cozy, comfy space, then you're in the right place, because that is exactly what we do here. So come on and become a part of this. And with that said, I have completed my collab. So I thank you for joining me, as I always do. I love you, I love you, I love you. That is for my ride or die subscribers. You know that I do. I just love you for sticking and staying. And I'm enjoying just getting to know you guys. Some of us converse back and forth now, and I'm loving that. And so continue to do so. And I invite the rest of you to do that as well. And for my newbies, I want you to know I see you. I'm so glad you're here. I've had a few more people join the family, and I'm so impressed and so happy with you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It is not unnoticed. And not appreciate it. I appreciate every single one of you. So guys, I hope you will enjoy the rest of your week. Stay tuned this week because I do have another video coming to you. I want to share with you my fall second level home tour this week, probably hopefully tomorrow. And I also am going to try to get another video out to you this week as well, on what I did in this office space. You will not believe the wreck it was in. It gets that way, I guess, when you're transitioning your home, because you have to have some place to put the stuff that you're not using, and that ended up being my little space in here. So I got that all done as well. So guys, with that said, I'm going to leave you now the way that I always do, with hugs and blessings. And I'm going to remind you to find and remain in your own personal element. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.